Hey guys, hope everybody's doing great this morning. It's Saturday. It's a nice, cool, rainy, dreary day here in Texas. So I'm gonna make some stew, but I'm gonna use the leftovers from Thanksgiving. I've got some turkey breast that I froze, and then some ham, and I'm gonna make. They called it like a thick and hearty turkey stew. I didn't have all of the ingredients that they had, but I had some extra stuff and some different things. So it is going to be part experiment. So we'll see how it comes out. Hi guys, for the first step, I've got half a stick of butter and I've got the ham and onions in here. I'm going to cook them up a little bit, kind of caramelize the onions a little. And then I will take and start adding the other veggies in. And hopefully everything comes out awesome. Alright guys, you would not believe how good this stuff is starting to smell. I'm going to take and add a can of beef broth to it. Alright guys, I put the beef broth in, then I put one small can of cream of mushroom, one family size can of cream of chicken, and one square of the cream cheese. Well, except for one tiny little piece on the end. I'm not sure what happened to that piece, but it sure tasted good. So I'm going to stir this up, and then we're going to bring this up to temperature. And then we'll put the vegetables in, and then the turkey in, and then it goes in the oven. So it should be pretty good. It looks like it's going to be good. It really does, actually. It really smells good. So hopefully everything comes out great. And if you can hear it in the background, our little cats decided to try to climb our Christmas tree. So I got to figure out a way to keep it out of the tree. Alright guys, got the potatoes and the vegetables in. I'm going to have to take and stir this up real carefully because it is full. It really does look like it's going to come out awesome though. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in the oven. I've got it preheating at 275 because it's just going to be slow. I might even lower it to 250 or 225 just and let it sit in there, because this is probably what we're going to eat for dinner. So, man, that really looks good. So, alright guys, well, I will take and we'll come back in about an hour and look at it, and then we'll take and probably shut that down then, and then I'll do a little short later showing how it came out, because it's going to take a while before we eat it. So, hope everybody has a great Saturday and gets out and finds some good stuff today. Alright guys, she's in the oven. I've set it up for an hour and a half. What I'm going to do now is go ahead and close this video, and then we'll take and make a short later to see how it is, and then we'll do another one when it's totally done and see how the girls like it. Have a great day.